Hi there, I'm Chris from Carson's Bazaar, and today we're going to take a look at adding blood effects to your models. Okay, to finish off this model we're going to be applying some Blood for the Blood God, which is a Citadel technical paint. It's one of the best paints I know of for doing blood effects. When it dries quite glossy, so the blood looks quite fresh and it's got a really good red tone to it. So the main area where there'll be blood is going to be on the stomach that's coming out here. So I'm just going to get some up on there and then just very lightly with the brush tap in the sides of the stomach, just onto the skin. That way you get sort of little splats and sprays coming off of it. Makes it just look a little bit more like an aggressive attack on them. I'm going to go up under these little cuts on the chest as well. And again, just kind of dragging down. That'll give you these little bits of blood running down. I put a bit on the chin as well, and the teeth around the sides onto the cheeks. Again, it's just kind of tapping the paint on, and it just gives it a bit of a randomised blood spray look, and it looks a lot better, I find. And we've got these little holes where there's some damage to them. Just pat it on and then drag it down. The main thing to remember when you're doing blood effects is don't go overboard with it. Don't need a lot of blood. So if you put too much on, it just kind of ruins the look of the model. It's quite tacky, I find. So you just want to pick out key areas. Blood into the cuts and the bite marks, and then just gently drag it down, and you just get a nice little running blood effect. I'll put a little bit just on the hands. Looks like he's been attacking people as well. A little bit just up on the knuckles here. So really there's not a lot of blood that's been added onto him. And like I say, you don't need a lot of blood on your mod. With the walkers, what I like to do is add a little bit of blood onto the base, and just a few drops of it. Because the way I've themed my bases is that the walkers are the ones with the blood on the base. The survivors have quite clean bases. It made it a little bit easier at first glance to see what model was a walker and what wasn't. It's quite handy for new players who might not be fully aware of all the miniatures that you can get for Walking Dead. So just a little bit paint on the brush there, and essentially dry brushing really, just flicking some of the blood away there. Get rid of that first bit as well, and it just gives a nice little splat effect on the base. And that's how I do the blood effects on my miniatures.